Imagine approaching a residence that doesn't just sit on the land, but rises from it, calm, confident, and impossibly elegant. From the very first glance, this modern glass tower mansion feels less like a house and more like a private sanctuary designed for those who understand that true luxury is silence, space, and light. As the sun reflects softly off the towering glass facade, the structure appears to change with every step you take, mirroring the sky, the trees, and the stillness around it. This is not a place meant to shout for attention. It commands it quietly. The driveway curves gently through manicured greenery, guiding you toward a floating-style entrance that feels almost sculptural. Clean concrete lines contrast beautifully with warm natural stone, while subtle landscape lighting traces the path like a quiet invitation. There are no unnecessary details here. Every material, every angle, every reflection has been chosen with intention. Even before stepping inside, you sense that this mansion is built for a very specific lifestyle, one that values clarity, calm, and complete privacy. As the massive glass door slides open, the boundary between outdoors and indoors disappears almost instantly. Natural light floods the interior, wrapping around you in a soft glow that feels alive. The ceiling soars high above, creating an immediate sense of openness, while the polished stone flooring reflects both the light and the surrounding greenery, making the entire space feel larger, brighter, and endlessly breathable. There is no clutter, no noise, just space, air, and presence. Straight ahead, the living area unfolds like an art gallery designed for living. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls frame the serene garden outside, turning nature itself into a moving canvas. During the day, sunlight filters through the trees, casting delicate shadows across the room. In the evening, the interior lighting transforms the glass into a mirror, reflecting warmth and elegance back into the space. The furniture is minimal yet luxurious, low-profile seating, rich textures, and neutral tones that allow the architecture to remain the star. Every step forward reveals how seamlessly the house flows. There are no harsh transitions, no closed-off corners. Spaces melt into one another, guided by subtle shifts in ceiling height, lighting, and material. To the right, a sunken lounge area invites conversation and relaxation, positioned perfectly to enjoy uninterrupted views of the garden. This is a space designed for long evenings, quiet music, and moments that stretch effortlessly into night. The garden itself feels like a private resort hidden within the property. Mature trees provide natural shade, while carefully placed water features add a soft, calming sound that blends with the rustling leaves. The lawn is pristine yet organic, bordered by stone pathways that encourage slow walks and reflection. From every angle inside the home, the garden remains visible, reinforcing the idea that nature is not outside this house, it is part of it. Moving deeper into the mansion, the dining area reveals itself beneath a dramatic double-height ceiling. A sculptural chandelier floats above a long dining table crafted from natural wood, grounding the space with warmth. This is where architecture meets intimacy. Whether hosting elegant dinner parties or quiet family meals, the setting feels equally appropriate. Glass walls on two sides ensure that even while dining, you remain connected to the surrounding greenery and sky. Adjacent to the dining space, the open-plan kitchen stands as a statement of modern luxury. Sleek cabinetry, seamless finishes, and integrated appliances keep the visual language clean and refined. A large central island anchors the room, perfect for both casual breakfasts and sophisticated entertaining. The materials here speak softly: matte stone surfaces, warm wood accents, brushed metal details, creating a kitchen that feels professional yet deeply inviting. Behind discrete panels, the service areas remain completely hidden, preserving the mansion's uncluttered aesthetic. Storage, prep kitchens, and utility spaces exist without ever interrupting the visual flow. This house understands luxury not as excess, but as control over what is seen, what is felt, and what remains invisible. As you ascend the floating staircase, crafted from solid stone and glass balustrades, the home reveals its vertical drama. The staircase itself feels like a piece of modern art, suspended in space and bathed in natural light from above. Each step upward offers a new perspective of the living spaces below, reinforcing the mansion's openness and architectural harmony. The upper level opens into a private lounge, designed as a quiet retreat overlooking the main living area and garden beyond. This space is softer, more personal. Plush seating, warm lighting, and carefully curated decor create an atmosphere ideal for reading, reflection, or intimate conversations. From here, the glass walls continue to blur boundaries, offering uninterrupted views that change with the time of day. The master suite is where the mansion truly reveals its soul. Entering this space feels like stepping into a luxury hotel designed exclusively for one. The bedroom is expansive yet calming, with a muted color palette that enhances rest and tranquility. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the garden and sky, allowing you to wake with natural light and fall asleep beneath the stars. The bed is positioned to face the view, making nature the focal point rather than screens or walls. Soft textures, linen, wood, stone layer the space with understated richness. There is no excess here, only comfort elevated to its highest form. A private terrace extends from the bedroom, offering a secluded outdoor escape where mornings begin with fresh air and evenings end in silence. The master bathroom feels like a spa carved from stone and glass. A freestanding bathtub sits beside a full-height window, perfectly positioned for soaking while overlooking greenery. The walk-in shower, wrapped in natural stone, offers a rainfall experience that feels immersive and grounding. Dual vanities, soft indirect lighting, and seamless storage maintain the mansion's clean aesthetic while delivering everyday luxury. The walk-in wardrobe is both functional and indulgent, designed as a gallery for personal style. Custom shelving, ambient lighting, and generous space ensure that organization feels effortless and elegant. Every detail reinforces the idea that this home is not simply lived in, it is experienced. Additional bedrooms throughout the mansion follow the same design philosophy. Each room offers privacy, natural light, and its own unique view of the garden or surrounding landscape. Ensuite bathrooms maintain the same material palette, ensuring consistency while allowing each space to feel individual and personal. These rooms are not secondary. They are complete retreats in their own right. As evening settles over the property, the mansion transforms. Exterior lighting subtly highlights architectural lines, while interior lights glow warmly through the glass facade. The house becomes a lantern in the landscape, present, peaceful, and unmistakably refined. The garden takes on a new personality, with soft illumination revealing pathways, water features, and trees without overpowering the night. From the outside, the glass tower reflects the stars and surrounding darkness, almost disappearing into the environment. From the inside, the world feels protected, quiet, and infinitely calm. This is a home designed for those who value serenity as much as status, and design as much as comfort. This luxury modern mansion is not about extravagance for its own sake. It is about balance between architecture and nature, openness and privacy, simplicity and sophistication. Every space has been crafted to enhance the way life is lived, not just the way it looks. It is a place where time slows, where moments feel intentional, and where elegance exists without effort. And as you stand here, surrounded by glass, light, and greenery, one thing becomes clear. This is not just a house you visit. This is a house you feel. As the night deepens, the mansion reveals another layer of its personality, one that only comes alive after sunset. Inside, the lighting system subtly adapts, dimming and warming to create an atmosphere that feels intimate yet expansive. Hidden LED strips trace architectural lines, highlighting textures in the stone walls and casting soft shadows that add depth without distraction. The glass walls no longer feel transparent. Instead, they become a quiet barrier between the peaceful interior and the stillness of the outside world. The central living space now feels like a private lounge suspended between nature and architecture. Reflections dance across the glass as interior lights meet the darkness beyond, creating a sense of endless depth. The garden, softly illuminated, looks almost surreal, trees outlined in gentle light, water features shimmering faintly, and pathways glowing just enough to guide movement without disturbing the calm. It's a scene designed not for crowds, but for presence. Moving toward the entertainment wing of the mansion, the mood shifts slightly. Here, luxury becomes playful yet controlled. A private cinema room opens up, wrapped in acoustic panels and rich textures that absorb sound and enhance immersion. Plush seating is arranged in perfect alignment, facing a large screen that disappears seamlessly into the wall when not in use. This is not a flashy home theater. It's a refined cinematic experience meant for late-night films, quiet documentaries, or unforgettable private screenings. Adjacent to the cinema, a sophisticated lounge bar emerges, designed for evenings that stretch effortlessly into night. The bar counter, crafted from dark stone with subtle metallic accents, feels sculptural and grounded. Backlit shelving displays carefully selected bottles, while low seating areas encourage conversation without urgency. Glass walls here still maintain a connection to the outdoors, but privacy screens can slide into place, transforming the space into a secluded retreat whenever desired. The mansion understands rhythm. It knows when to open itself completely to the world and when to close in, creating moments of intimacy. This balance is evident as you move through the corridors, where artwork is displayed sparingly, allowing each piece to breathe. The walls themselves become canvases for light, texture, and shadow, reminding you that true luxury doesn't overwhelm, it whispers. Descending to the lower level, the atmosphere becomes even more serene. A wellness zone unfolds, dedicated entirely to restoration and balance. The indoor spa feels carved from the earth itself, with stone walls, warm lighting, and a sense of grounding that immediately slows your breath. A temperature-controlled pool stretches across the space, its surface reflecting soft light like liquid glass. Large windows allow filtered daylight during the day and moody reflections at night, maintaining a constant connection to the outside world. Nearby, a private gym blends functionality with design. Floor-to-ceiling mirrors enhance the sense of space, while natural materials prevent the room from feeling clinical. Whether it's an early morning workout or a quiet late-night session, this space feels motivating without being aggressive. Even here, the mansion prioritizes calm over chaos. A meditation room sits just beyond, almost hidden. Minimal in design, it offers nothing but space, softness, and silence. This room doesn't ask for attention. It exists purely for those moments when the world feels too loud and stillness becomes the ultimate luxury. As dawn approaches, the mansion shifts once again. Morning light creeps gently through the glass facade, awakening the interiors without force. The garden comes alive slowly, leaves moving, water flowing, shadows stretching across the lawn. From the kitchen, the first light of day reflects off stone surfaces, creating a glow that feels fresh and clean. Breakfast here isn't rushed, it's a ritual. Outdoor living spaces now take center stage.